himself and himself, Professor Bhavasar and other colleagues sitting here in this forum. There are a lot of things talked about me. Of course, I don't know whether that has been things which is being said, and also the quality actually you cannot realize that the things when others says, then you realize that yes, you have such great qualities. And of course, I thank everyone here. And not taking too much of time, I will take one or two incidents which I can share, particularly especially with the HR people. Actually, since morning to evening, we used to work hard, sincerely. But other end, our perspective is very different to that. Other it may be some extent it may be positive and it may be negative. Generally, it is in a negative way of that. But I realized that up to Janjiam, when I was working, my door is always open to everyone. Even from other department and our department and from any discipline, they can step over and they talk to me. And this is what it has been taught to me in the beginning from the HR perspective. So before calling the officers, from my mind is some of the officers, I called them with the certain good quality. Really, they were helpful and grateful, and they taught me and they were mentor. So that is what here, whoever I have is they are my good mentor. Also guided me all along my career. So there are certain officers, they promised me that they will come, but because of certain engagement and preoccupation, they are not able to come here. Like our KK Jasa. Actually, once the KK Jasa was there, lots of things and some whatever games that everything today we are doing here, it is all originated or compiled and dispersed by team only. And when we talk about Jasa, and I followed up with that he will come, definitely he should come. So unfortunately there was some incident at Bhopal, he left there and he sent a message. It is a number message. But from him I learned a lot of things. The one I told is you should, being in HR, you should open your door and keep to open your door to anyone who comes. But since after becoming GM rooms को थोड़ा सा बंद होता है, so इसलिए वो बंद करने पड़ा. Otherwise always it is open to. Wherever I go, either in Mumbai or in Chennai, wherever I go, my doors is always open. That's the one. I will give you one point. The other one is whenever we are dealing with the court cases. So I take delivery here. I had 2-3 threats also. When I dealt with some cases, one cases maybe Bhujan sir will be remembering that when I was in Mumbai, actually there are some DL Moya people, so there were Moya people and after completion they are supposed to be transferred, and we designed some kind of rules and regulations. But despite that, some of the people we are not able to do that, and the issue went up to the regional level commissioner. Regional level commissioner was very strict. And the other party, they are taking up the cost of that employees. And they are also very ferocious and they wanted to, a lot of things they spoke during the course of the conciliation proceedings. Then the day itself, the officers who were in charge there in Pune, he said that, sir, you don't go to the Pune now because the people are employees. I said, being the HOD in the Mumbai, I should visit my people. Because unless and until I interact with them, I may not be able to get the what they exactly wanted. Then I went there about around more than 100 people were there and they gave out me and they said that we are here for the last 10 years, 7 years and we are old and we are widows and we are medically unfit. They said that you should definitely do it, otherwise we will do something which is not to be very good to the you also the management. That's the way they were talking about. Then I said that, see, I come here just a week before I join, I'm here. I will give it 3 months. I will try to resolve that. Then again I went to the regional level commissioner. He is also very adamant, these are the criteria, you could do that. Then there is no other option, I have the other channel I have to opt for that. Then I spoke to Vijay sir. The other channel we explore that. And through him, we spoke to the regional level commissioner. Then fortunately the regional commissioner and Vijay sir were really friend. Then amicably resolved. Then we arrived at a solution. Mr. A.K. Sharma was there already. He was supposed to come here since he is at Mumbai. He also sent a message that the mechanism is not possible. But otherwise, I was very grateful when he was working there. So that way it was resolved. What I mean to say is, whenever you are working, that of course there may be a perception or otherwise other perception will be there. But you should do your duty and to see that the results are coming and give the human touch. The other end, definitely, if you are not solving, they will knock the door of the other people also. So my experience is that we have to first hear. Unless and until you hear the grievances, they will not the other door, they will go to the explore the other possibilities. So it is better that when they are approaching you at your level itself, you have to resolve that. The other good experience I had in during COVID period. But Awasam came so tomorrow onwards I immediately I will miss. But for your information, already I am in this group because because Awasam only insisted me you join that when COVID period was there. I was meeting up to the ES1. All the retired employees were really very pleasant and they kind of the same different things. Awasam knows that.
Yes.
So when we had a video conference, so everyone was giving their inputs, and then a little bit discussed also. Of course, after the retirement, they have their rights and they have to. So they expressed a lot of things from the EC conference. Then Baba Sahib said that we will add Natarajan also, so that regular period we will interact. Of course, we won't believe that.
Yes.
We really saw a lot of things. When we hear, we get the grievances, it was nothing but just to hear them. So that really solved a lot of the problem. And of course, after that, I suggested Jay sir was there. We suggested that we can open a help desk immediately after the COVID. And every Wednesday we opened one small room, that is boardroom. So all the retired employees will come there and they give their grievances. We try to resolve that. That's the way it has been done. But I hope you also this kind of can be restarted. So otherwise, I am very lucky person saying that at no time or no level time I stagnantly walk. Every 3 or 4 years I got a promotion. This is really, I thank the management because when you do the work and they realize that. So ऐसा नहीं है कि वो management जो बैठे हैं वो ऐसे आपको वो नहीं करते हैं. Even at the bottom level also they observe each and everything. So what is that message you are sending by talking to others and by acting or going or exhibiting your acts? They know that. So when the time comes, definitely they will help you, assist you. And one other thing, the important thing I learned that against the management, you can't do nothing and you have to flow with the management. Management is having a very extended arms. That is the system. Today myself, tomorrow some other. But the system will be there. The individual process will never be get resolved unless you go flow with the management. That's very important. So the other thing is some of the policies we have made it and also I have made. One of the policies is sexual harassment. That's Ms. Nandita is here. She knows better. So paying that persons and other things I can say that we traveled a lot and to find a single person to identify and resolve that case. These are the things which were always ready and always we were in front to whatever the issues comes up at any level, and that's why once upon a time when the years over, people used to say that I am the new but actually that's what I said that whether this other verse which is really meaning or not. Anyway, I am grateful and thankful to each and everyone present here, and I remember all of you, and I have nothing anything unhappy and airport authority is concerned, because my identity is airport authority of India, and airport authority is my identity, whether it is mine or not. But my identity is, since the beginning till this day, I am the airport authority of India, part of this. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
बिल्कुल सर ने सही कहा कि हम लोगों को सभी की आइडेंटिटी जो है वो एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया ही है, क्योंकि हम लोग को तभी जाना जाता है वो जब हमारे साथ ब्रांडिंग लगती है कि वेयर आर यू वर्किंग, या उसका हमको अगर आई कार्ड के अगर कोई देख लेता है तो सब लोग उसकी तरफ होते हैं एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया। तो जितना बड़ा नाम है हमारा, तो हमको काम भी उतने ही बढ़िया कर रहे हैं और आगे करने भी चाहिए। और जैसे सर ने बोला, एक अच्छे एचआर पर्सनल को जिस तरह से अपने जब वो ऑफिसर होता है, जब वो वर्किंग होता है, तो इसी तरह से नए नए इनिशिएटिव लेके हम लोगों को करने चाहिए, ताकि जब हम लोग उस स्टेज में आए कि हम लोग रिटायर हो जाएं और हमारे जो यंग जनरेशन है जो टेक ओवर करे, तो वो समझे कि हाँ इन्होंने किया था तो ये पॉलिसी हमको इससे बेटर करना है। तो कंपटीशन जो है वो बने रहना चाहिए, उसी से हम लोग, हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन उसी से आगे बढ़ेगी और उसी से हम सबका भला होगा। अभी तो हम लोग एयरपोर्ट पे तो हम लोग इंडायरेक्टली बहुत लाखों लोगों से मिल रहे हैं, उन लोगों को सर्विसेज दे रहे हैं, बट ये जो हम लोग अंदर जो है कम से कम एचआर और ये दूसरे इश्यूज हैं, हम लोग अपने 20,000 लोगों, जितने भी हमारी स्टाफ स्ट्रेंथ है, उसी के लिए वेलफेयर का काम कर रहे हैं। तो हम लोग ये इंश्योर करें प्लीज कि कोई आए तो अपनी ऑल आउट एफर्ट जरूर करें कि उनसे मिले, उनकी समस्या सुने, उनके कोशिश करें एटलीस्ट। और जैसे सर ने बोला कि मैनेजमेंट हमेशा से सपोर्ट करती है, आप अगर उसको सही ढंग से अपने रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं केस को, तो मैनेजमेंट जरूर हेल्प करेगी। तो थैंक यू सर फॉर शेयरिंग योर व्यूज। एक हमारे प्रतिभाएं बहुत हैं एचआर विंग के अंदर, तो हमारे गायत्री शर्मा जी हैं, तो वो जो एक इस अवसर पर एक गाना गाना चाहते हैं, तो आपके एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए और सर की रिटायरमेंट पे, तो जोरदार तालियों के साथ सर
गुड।
सर जी और सभी मेरे और मैं इनके सम्मान में अपने सेक्शन ES1 की तरफ से गाना पेश कर रहा हूँ। आशा करता हूँ आप सबको पसंद आए। दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दो मिलते हैं। दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दो मिलते हैं। जब जब वक्त किसी का यार जुदा होता है, कुछ ना पूछो यारो दिल का हाल बुरा होता है। दिल पे यादों के जैसे तीर चलते हैं, हाँ दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दोस्त मिलते हैं। इस रंग रूप के देखो हरगिज़ नाज न करना, जान भी मांगे यार तो दे देना, नाराज न करना। रंग उड़ जाते हैं, धूप ढलते
एक और फरमाइश आई है कि वो भी गाना गाना चाहेंगे। ये पुलिस का प्यार है, जब अधिकारी रिटायर हो रहा हो तो उसके सम्मान में। तो ये सजीव झा जी हमारे साथ हैं, तो एक गाना
सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। अभी 2 दिन पहले हम लोगों ने अपनी सिस्टर का छोटा सा प्रोग्राम किया था, उसमें सर ने स्पेशली फरमाइश करके ये गाना सुना, वही गाना मैं दोबारा सुना रहा हूँ। चिट्ठी आई है वतन से, चिट्ठी आई है, चिट्ठी आई है वतन से, चिट्ठी आई है, चिट्ठी आई है, चिट्ठी आई है। बड़े दिनों के बाद हम बेवतनों को याद, बड़े दिनों के बाद हम बेवतनों को याद, वतन की मिट्टी आई है, चिट्ठी आई है, चिट्ठी आई है। ऊपर मेरा नाम लिखा है, अंदर ये पैगाम लिखा है, ओ परदेस को जाने वाले, लौट के फिर ना आने वाले। 7 समंदर पार गया तू, हमको जिंदा मार गया तू, खून के रिश्ते तोड़ गया तू, आँख में आंसू छोड़ गया तू। कम खाते हैं, कम सोते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा हम रोते हैं। चिट्ठी आई है, चिट्ठी आई है, चिट्ठी आई है। सूनी हो गई शहर की गलियां, कांटे बन गई बाग की कलियां, कहते हैं सावन के झूले, भूल गया तू हम नहीं भूले। तेरे बिन जब आई दिवाली, दीप नहीं दिल जले हैं खाली। तेरे बिन जब आई होली, पिचकारी से छूटी गोली। पीपल सूना बरखत सूना, घर शमशान का बना नमूना। फसल कटी आई बैशाखी, तेरा आना रह गया बाकी। चिट्ठी आई है, चिट्ठी आई है, चिट्ठी आई है। पहले जब तू खत लिखता था, कागज में चेहरा दिखता था। बंद हुआ ये मेल भी अब तो, खत्म हुआ ये खेल भी अब तो। डोली में जब बैठी बहन, रास्ता देख रहे थे नैना। मैं तो बाप हूँ, मेरा क्या है, तेरी माँ का हाल बुरा है, तेरी बीवी करती है सेवा, सूरत से लगती है बेवा। तूने पैसा बहुत कमाया, इस पैसे ने देश छुड़ाया, देश पराया छोड़ के आजा, पंछी पिंजरा तोड़ के आजा, आजा उम्र बहुत है छोटी, अपने घर में भी है रोटी। चिट्ठी आई है, चिट्ठी आई है, आई है, चिट्ठी आई है। बड़े दिनों के बाद हम बेवतनों को याद, वतन की